Brother Salam from Iraq said we did not hear in the four school of thoughts about the Imam Mahdi. Is the mistaken from our side, or we have to blame these four school of thoughts?
The questioner has to blame himself for misunderstanding the nature of mazahib arba. They are mazahib of jurisprudence, the schools of jurisprudence, not of beliefs. As far as the schools of beliefs are concerned, they're not just four. There are at least 72. So he is searching what he is searching for in the wrong place. You know? He has to revise his own attitude. If he turns to those firqas who are based on the concept of beliefs, etc., he will find them all full of the mention of Imam Mahdi. None of them is empty of that.